Today I'm at 7115 Oaklawn in beautiful Sachse, Texas, and this house is truly a special nugget. It's got magnolias up front, it's got stone on the front of the house, it has, it's in the curve of a street, so it's got a cul-de-sac type lot that's 18,000 square feet. We're talking big old backyard that has an herb garden. It has peach trees. It has a storage shed that's off to the side that you don't notice on the patio. It's beautiful. When you walk in, you're gonna find 4 full bedrooms, a study dedicated, a formal dining room. Of course, there's the kitchen and then the breakfast nook, family room with a fireplace that overlooks the backyard, but there's also a fireplace in the primary bedroom that looks into, it's see-through into the primary bath. It is so cool. In the entry, there is a rotunda that's uplit. Oh my gosh, it's just cool. I cannot wait for you to see this, but best of all, this house is priced just under $400. It's a little over, it's almost 2,100 square feet. Come on, you gotta look at it. So cool.